Eggnog. Yo, look how long I call you. You not ready yet?
Yeah, me there, you know, something I get ready enough for spray up and thing, you know. Yeah, man, me I come right now, because I'm done with the party, I go out, you know, and thing, you know.
Star, you know something, I look how long I call you, brethren.
Just wait for me, man. Me a minute, man. Me a come, man. Hold on to my youth, man.
People in the house, are you ready for this? Hey, girl, shake your body if you're ready for it.
Uno member if you subscribe. Wagwan to all the subscribers. Wagwan. Blessings. Why? Tell you something. See, life is a precious journey, you know, people. And sometimes when you go through life and you think say you go through the worst, somebody out there go through worse than you. So may I say? So if you keep things into perspective. I mean, Danny English, rest in peace, contribute so much to music. And we know you nobody say nothing about Danny English, but you know, in pass on today and a lot of people are pay them respect and thing, and you know, him was one of them DJs there back in the early, I'd say probably 90s. Them man they get them break, you know. Party people in the house if you're ready for this. Boom, bye. Yeah man, tune it bad still, you know. But condolences to his family. I know him have at least a daughter and probably who knows him probably have other kids. So condolences to the family of Danny English. Contribute to a lot to the music, you know, definitely, you know, help to bring music to what it is now. The dancehall music I should say. And definitely play a part in the whole music thing here in Jamaica. So big respect and honors to Danny English. Yeah man. You put in the work and Jaja call you home, you know, so we are gonna try enough to forget you, you know. Put your stuff out there and play your music and always remember them things still. And you know the thing is, he was so young, you know. I'm 50s. You know what I mean? So one of them things that still life give you the road and we just travel it, you know. We don't know which part we are going to end up on, I just so you go still. But yeah man, one of them things that me have to just talk about today and say, boy, because the man just pass on, so you know. And every day we have people who pass on still, you know what I mean? So that's why we have to cherish each other. Because if I tell you the truth, you never know. You never know when you're going to be your last. So you have to cherish your family, your friends, the people that are around you. We show your interest, we show your care, love, honor, commitment. You know them things that go already, people. We just have to honor each other and respect and love. So may I say? But, so the thing goes still, and you don't know. And that's one of them things that we have to just say, boy, R.I.P., you know? Yeah, Danny English did have some illness and unfortunately he never make it. But he's always going to be here in spirit, and we just give thanks to the life and the music that he shared with us will always live on. And we give thanks, you know, we're going to play the music and we're going to remember them good time because, you know, one of my biggest song, Party Time, is still played today in any dance and get people jumping up and moving, you see me I say? So, yeah man, a big tune that man, Party Time. Make me feel like some boy I have to go play it about 5 or 10 times tonight. Just to relive it, you know what I mean? Because when that tune first come out, it was a good time for us as yard people, as Jamaicans. Hear that tune they come on, everybody I grab a girl and a dance. So me I say, yeah man, so it for go man, so it for go. Want to get back to those days still. But let me know what you think in the comment section. And like me say, if you don't subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe and just smash the like button because you don't know the thing go already. Just do the right thing, alright? Wanna go and big up on us, stay straight and stay safe. So me I say, I don't know, one love. Until the next one, I'm out.